It's a very sunny morning, although it's nearing 9 a.m. where I am in the Philippines. So let's continue to thank God, always be forgiving, choose to understand than be understood. Most importantly, exercise. Hi, welcome to today's episode of Pinoy Food Series. I hope you like the food that I showed you earlier. But just to complete the menu, this time it's food for the soul, right? So very shortly, I'd like to talk about handling setback. So basically, a setback is a delay of something that you want. Let's say you applied for a job and the positive decision is being delayed, job offer is being delayed. So how do you handle that? Because sometimes when the things that we want are not happening, it makes us worried, right? The normal human tendency. But nevertheless, those setbacks are actually there to strengthen our mental skills because it allows us to be positive despite uncertainties. And you know that life is full of uncertainties. So to handle setback, all you need to do is to involve yourself in positive activities. You can exercise. And you know what, guys? Always look at the great things that you have. The mere fact that you woke up this morning, you're able to run, you're able to smile and laugh, you hear the singing of the birds, the weather is great, and there's nothing seriously bothering you right now. So those things are, we can say sometimes we neglect them, but those are the great things in life. The fact that you were able to sleep last night is already a miracle. So those are some ways of handling setbacks. So these setbacks are just delays, again, to strengthen our mental ability. Huh? So always smile and always be thankful. Always be the person who understand other people rather than seeking to be understood. All right? So let's offer a short prayer, especially for the Pope. So, dear Lord, Mama Mary, Saint Joseph, please continue to strengthen our Pope. We need him. The world needs him. Amen. So, for all of you who are watching this video, God bless you and see you tomorrow for the Pinoy Food Series. Thank you. Slam dunk.